This is freaking real. I used to be 85 kg. I used to struggle to lose weight. Like many people, I tried different drastic ways to lose weight, but it did not work. I have now found my own lifestyle. I feel better with my body and a lot healthier. In this video, I'm sharing 2 of my useful tips that is helping me to lose weight without gaining it back. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm not going to take much of your time. I'm just going to go straight to the point. In this video, I'm going to give you guys 2 tips, just 2 tips that has helped me and would also help you lose the weight and don't gain it back. I know you've heard the whole thing about how to lose the weight, cut down on the sugar, on the carbs, drink lots of water, sleep well, count your calories, exercise, and everybody's saying basically the same thing. Not that I'm saying it's wrong, it's the truth to losing weight, okay? But I have found these 2 things that is working and is proving to work. It's scientifically proven to work. I've done my research. It's working for a lot of people and it's also working for me, and I thought I have to bring this to you guys and tell you what it is because it's helping me and I want to share it. What I'm about to tell you guys is mental. If you can do it, weight loss is like nothing, okay? You will lose the weight. You need to prepare yourself mentally. You need to be able to do this before it could work, okay? My first tip is alternate day fasting. Oh my god, guys, I don't know how to tell you guys that this method of weight loss is real, is the game changer. It will change everything for you if you can do it, trust me. So for those of you who don't know what alternate day fasting is basically eating one day and not eating the next day. So eating, fasting. What I mean by fasting is drinking water on your fast days. For example, like let's say you eat on a Monday and you fast on a Tuesday. You eat on Wednesday, you fast on Thursday. Your fasting days, your digestive system is resting, okay? So that's how it works. Alternate day fasting has loads of health benefits. It's going to improve your health. Alternate day fasting activates your hormones. You feel increase in energy, increase in awareness, focus, mental clarity. Guys, it has loads and loads of health benefits. It's not just weight loss, but it's not something I can talk about in this video because we're talking about weight loss, okay? So but go and do your research yourself to see the health benefits of doing alternate day fasting. What I like about alternate day fasting allows you to be on a calorie deficit on a consistent basis. It allows you to stick to it and you see weight loss, and also your body composition will also change. I like the fact that you eat and on your fast days you're burning fat almost the entire day. And if this is not a good reason to do this, what is? I know it might sound hard, but once you start and get into the habit, your body gets used to it and it gets easier and easier. At the beginning, it might seem hard to do, but by the time you get into 2 to 3 weeks, you will get used to the new habit and you will definitely stick to it. I love doing alternate day fasting because I don't need to think about what I need to cook on my fasting days and my refueling days. You don't restrict. I don't have to restrict. If I want to eat chicken and rice, I would have chicken and rice and sauce, and I don't feel guilty about it, about how many carbs or calories it is, because I know at the end of the week I'm going to be on a calorie deficit because I'm doing alternate day fasting. I love it. It's just so freeing. For alternate day fasting, I do 3-4, okay? I fast for 3 days and I eat for 4 days. And also I like to have my eat and fast days to be the same every week. There's another version of this alternate day fasting. You can also do the modified version of alternate day fasting. I personally don't advise that. I don't do that. It's up to you if you want to, but I just feel that you get more benefit with doing the alternate day fasting instead of the modified version. Okay, the modified version is basically eating between 500 calories to 1000 on your fast days. I don't really see the point of that, because you're having 0 calories and everything on your fast days. Your body is in the burning state the whole day, and if you eat 500 to 1000 calories on your fast days, that actually slows the process down, doesn't allow your body to get into that fast burning mode. Okay, personally, I prefer to do 0 calorie on my fast days. Okay, not modified. And the reason why I also like to do the 0 calories fasting throughout the day on my fast day is because I want to avoid temptation that would break my fast. Okay, and if you're a binge eater, sometimes we all binge eat. I would recommend that you do this alternate day fasting, not the modified one, because if you're a binge eater with all or nothing mentality, alternate day fasting will help you a lot, because it's easier to have none than to have some. Okay, so guys, with alternate day fasting, you don't count calories. You don't need to count your calories. For example, if you're on a calorie deficit and you eat 1400 a day, you don't want to go from 1400 a day to 1400 every other day. That would be extreme and dangerous, because your body will react negatively if you lose the weight really fast. Okay, so you don't count calories on alternate day fasting. Okay, think about it this way. Okay, you eat 1400 calories one day. The next day you don't eat anything, 0 calories. The next day you eat 1400, and the next day you eat 0. You're already on a calorie deficit by the end of the week. You've lost, I don't know, do the maths, but you've lost 3 days worth of calories. Okay, so on your eating day, on your feast day, you don't need to count calories. What you need to do is to eat till you're satisfied. Eat simply by how you feel. If you're hungry, you eat, but eat healthy. Okay, eat nutritious foods and your weight will drop. Your body is intelligent enough to work it out itself, so you don't need to count calories. By the end of the week, you will lose weight. Sometimes I eat 3 meals a day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Sometimes I only eat 2 meals a day. Sometimes I eat 1 meal a day. It depends on you. It depends on how you feel. If you're hungry, eat. Eat your food. Eat nutritious food. Eat the food that you enjoy, because that's what it is. Okay, as long as it's healthy and it's not junk, it's not fast foods, you definitely lose the weight. Another thing, you guys, alternate day fasting does help you lose weight, but sometimes it might not show on the scale, but it can show on your body. I recently did a video where I did 500 crunches a day for 7 days. That week I did alternate day fasting and I ate clean. I minimized on sugar. I ate loads of salad. My stomach shrunk and my legs got slimmer. I lost some kilos, but my body looked a lot slimmer than the numbers on the scale. That's to show that with alternate day fasting, people can lose inches versus weight. So if you're doing alternate day fasting, don't be disappointed with the scale if the scale is not moving, because you're actually making progress and you don't know. Don't rely on the scale so much. Always take a progress picture when you start, and maybe in 2 weeks time or even 4 weeks time, you take another one and you will see the progress. Okay, don't get into the habit of weighing yourself every day or even every week. Don't weigh yourself every week. Maybe just monthly is fine. But the best one to know that you're seeing progress and to see your body changing is to take pictures, and then you see your progress from there. So guys, if you're thinking about doing alternate day fasting, you haven't done fasting before, you don't know what fasting is, I don't advise that you jump into doing alternate day fasting. You need to ease into alternate day fasting. Okay, that's for people that haven't done fasting before, because when you jump into alternate day fasting, you find it difficult to do and you definitely give up. You need to ease into it. You can start with intermittent fasting. Do a 16 to 8. You fast for 16 hours and you eat within an 8-hour window. Or you can do that, or you can do TUMAD, 2 meals a day. You can do OMAD, 1 meal a day. And then as you do that, you progress into alternate day fasting. Please do not jump into doing alternate day fasting. It requires you to prepare your body into that state of fasting, okay, before you get into it. If not, you find it difficult to do. Also, if you're doing alternate day fasting, you need to choose a fasting protocol that best suits your lifestyle. So basically, find something that works for you so that you can be consistent and it can become a lifestyle until you can reach your goal. That's my first tip: alternate day fasting. Okay, do your research on it more before you do it. There's tons of videos, that can explain what alternate day fasting is and the benefits you can get from it. And there are lots of people that are doing it and are seeing great results, and I'm doing it. I'm one of them. I'm seeing great results. I just wish I knew this from day one. I just feel like I've been wasting my time doing all these try and errors and I would have just done this, and by now I would have gotten to my goal weight. Okay guys, so that's it for my first tip. Now is the second tip, my final tip. I've got only two. So the first one is alternate day fasting. So my second one, you guys, wait for it. My second one is forget about weight loss. Do not think about losing weight. Oh my God. I know people don't actually think about this. Okay, you don't remember, or you haven't thought about it. Do you know when you stop thinking about something? That's when you get it. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about. I hope you guys know. When you're eager about something, oh, I wish I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do this, and you think about it, you don't get it. I don't know why it works that way, but it does. So yeah, do not think about weight loss. Do not set a date. Do not give yourself time limits. It takes us like so many years to add on the weight, and we expect to lose the weight within 1 month. The more you put the pressure on yourself that you need to lose the weight, that pressure that you're putting on yourself is giving you stress. And stress does what? Stress makes you not to lose weight. Just live your life. Enjoy your life. Life is too short for all this stress about your body. This is where I look. I'm not happy. Love yourself. Be proud of yourself, okay? Work on your self-esteem. Work on your self-confidence. Dress well. Take care of yourself. Do your makeup if you like doing makeup. Do your hair. Do your nails. Take care of your body. Smell good. Look good all the time. That is what to do. Take it easy on life, okay? You will definitely get there. Once you start doing that, trust me guys, the weight will drop off before you know it. Do the right thing at the same time. Eat well. Move your body. Do exercise. Even just walking. Walking is a good enough exercise to make you lose the weight. Believe it or not, people think it's running, doing all these HIIT exercises and everything. No, trust me, if you want to lose weight the right way and for good, it's better to take it nice and slow. You will definitely get there. And trust me, guys, if you apply these things I'm saying, forgetting that you're losing the weight, just try it and let me know in the comments below if you know what I'm talking about. I want you guys to comment in my video, comment in this video. Forget about your weight loss. That is my second tip, my second and only tip. Forget about losing weight. Anyway, let me not go on and on about not thinking about weight loss, but think about it, you guys. I want you guys to definitely think about what I've just said in this video. And guys, share my videos to everyone that you can think about. Share this particular video because it's very, very important. This is something that has taken me a long time to understand this process, okay? You don't need to go through what I've been through or what I'm going through to get to this stage, okay? You can just take action and just do it. Just do it, okay? So share my videos and comment and like my videos, because the more you comment, the more you like my videos, the more my videos will also be recommended to people to watch, okay? And if people watch it, it's gonna help somebody out there. That's what I'm here. I'm here to help as many people as possible that is out there that is struggling with their weight loss, struggling with their self-esteem, they're not happy with their body. People are just, not happy generally because of their weight, okay? So that's why I'm here. Anyway guys, let me not take much of your time. That's it for me today. I will definitely see you guys in the next video. Bye.